strong she is. Holding on already. Let's see. Oh, 8 pounds, 10 ounces. And in grams, let's just change that. 3920. So she beat her sister. She definitely beat her sister, didn't she? Yes. Okay.
Yeah, a warm thing.
Here.
Oh, baby.
And then put this here like so. And she'll... There we go. So we're opposite. There we go. Yes. You feel a little cold. Yes, you are.
Yeah, you are.
You. We'll keep you here for a little bit just to heat you up since you had a good visit with Mommy. Here's another. Maybe could you get me one more of those? Just so I like to have 2. I don't. There we go. You? Yes. Daddy wants a picture, close picture of you. Sorry, I just want a 3921. You go ahead.